In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Tally-Form submissions as a PDF. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to click on the Tally-Form where you want to download the submissions from. So I'm going to go to this one over here. And then, of course, if you're inside the editor, you want to click on the settings cogwheel up top. Otherwise, you're going to be directed directly over here. Then you want to click on the submissions tab up top. And from here, you can see your submissions. And to actually download these form submissions, you can see next to them over here on the left, there's now this download PDF button. Okay, so you can click on that, and if you click on the download PDF button, it's going to download that specific submission for you as a PDF document. So it's going to download in just a few seconds over here. You'll see, there we go. You can then click on it to open it up, and that's how it's going to look like. Now, what's also great here, it's going to actually mimic the style of your form. So if you actually stylized it, it's going to basically mimic it, and if you update it, it's going to basically update in here as well whenever you re-download your file. Okay, so that's how to download Tally-Form submissions as PDFs. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.